was brought up by a single parent. I heard single parents clapping. Can you clap again? I was brought up by a single parent, and being lonely, it's one of the things that happened to me when I was young. You know, I was young. My mother is Ndebele, my father Shona. And guys, imagine growing up as a Shona next to Barberfield Stadium. Just listening to those Highlanders supporters singing songs about putting up Shona people. I'm a Shona here, I'm a Shona here. And I was 8 years old just looking at them. I hate Shona. And they were having big arms. I'm a Shona. Those would be the women. Just saying, I'm a Shona here. It was hard. You see, if you're a kid, it's hard to forget stuff. I was traumatized. I grew up being scared of albinos because my mom used to say, Clive, if you don't finish that food, I'll call Salif Kate. And those were the times where Salif Kate used to play, live back. Live back. I love you. And I'm like, I'm gonna eat this food. Yeah. Like, I'm gonna eat this food. You see, black people, we worry about food every time. Go to any black person's house unannounced. See what happens. Especially in the evening. Continue. I'll put the stove on one. Even if they try to pretend, even if they try to give you that big piece of chicken, the child is always the sellout. He will look you straight in the eye. Okay. Yeah. Black people with food. It was hard. So that trauma of being hating Shona people, and I used to meet like those hardcore Shona guys who ask you a question at the end of every sentence, like I hate these guys. But up until with my work, I had an opportunity to go to Harare. Shona people are blessed, ladies and gentlemen. They are blessed. You know what Harare people, when they ask, listen to their gospel music. Tinoda makombo, makomborero. I know we are makombo. God was like, just give them. Harare people, they've learned to commercialize everything. Even their Pentecostal churches, Makandio, filling up stadiums. I like that guy. Pentecostal churches, you know, he started to introduce that miracle money. Nigerians, Indians started to flock in. Pennies enlargement, Chinese started to flock in.